Okay, welcome to this video, which is going to talk to you about sodium hypochlorite and Clever Wash bundle deal that we've put together. So a lot of people were getting confused to saying, well, what chemicals do I need to clean my render, or I want to make them myself. Also, patio cleaning, that sort of thing. So this is why we came up with this bundle for the sodium hypochlorite and the Clever Wash. So you get 20 litres of sodium hypochlorite and 1 litre of Clever Wash. What this can do is, at a 4% recipe, so that's a 1 part sodium hypochlorite to 3 parts water, you can make a total of 80 litres of Softwash. Okay, and you'd add your 1 litre of Clever Wash in that mix as well. You'd then be able to apply that to your renders, your patios, your driveways, your roofs, you name it, basically. And that would be a 4% recipe. So what that would mean then, I'm just checking here, that would cover 400 square meters of area. Okay, now that's a 1 coat application of a rate of around 1 litre for every 4 to 5 square meters roughly. Now what you've got to bear in mind is sometimes you might need to do 2 coat application after half an hour to 45 minutes. So basically, instead of being 400 square meters, that would drop down to 200 square meters. Okay, so that gives you an idea of how far that package will go. So yeah, and you can actually do it weaker. You don't have to do a 1 in 3. You could maybe do a 1 in 7, 1 in 8, even a 1 in 14. So bringing it right down. It depends on the contamination and how severe the stain is, but at least you've got the options here to be able to do whatever you want to do, and that's the whole point really. So check out, all the information is in the description below. And if you've got any questions about this, or you'd like to know more, then you can reach out to us on our contact us page and send fill the form in and send us an inquiry, and we'll get back to you, or hit on the chat bot at the bottom of the website as well. Okay, hope that helps. So yeah, grab yourself a really good deal. All right, see you later. Bye bye for now.